Welcome to Meetkalakar. Meetkalakar Gurukul is an online school of performing arts. Here we teach various forms like vocal, dance forms like Kathak, Bharatnatyam, and various instruments like harmonium, tabla, sitar, flute, etc. More than 100 teachers teach in Meetkalakar, and we have more than 500 students across the globe.
Namaste everyone, this is Richa and I welcome you all to Student Spotlight by Meetkalakar. Today we have with us a very special student of Meetkalakar who is Nisha Belgi. She is from Texas, USA, and she has been learning Hindustani Classical Vocal in Meetkalakar for I think around 8 years now. So that's really great. And so Nisha ji, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Welcome to Student Spotlight.
Thank you.
So, in the just to start off, can you just introduce yourself and your background? What do you do by profession?
Actually, my name is Nisha Belgi. I am from Kerala, and right now I live in Texas, Dallas, Texas, with my family. And by profession, I'm an IT. Um, and yeah, that's the current situation. And I'm with Meet Kalakar for a few years. And yeah.
Yeah. So, being in IT must be, really hectic. So, how did it strike to you? What initiated you to start learning classical vocal?
Um, Actually, the desire to learn music was within me from childhood. And I am from Kerala, so there we usually hear Carnatic music. And also growing up, I never had the chance to learn because my family was focus was to study. So also there was no teacher nearby. So I never thought, even though I had the desire, I never thought I could learn. I never could ask my parents, oh, I want to learn Carnatic music at that time because focus was on my study. So anyway, so and so that just went on. I focused on my study. I came to US, got married, came to US. I again was focused to get job and all that. But at some point, I got a break. I mean, I was not working, and then I got opportunity to learn Carnatic music because at that time I am aware of only my knowledge was only about Carnatic music. So I got to learn Carnatic music. So then, like in my mind, oh, I wanted to learn music. Now I got exposed to Carnatic music. Then I thought my desire went even further. I thought, oh, now I need to learn Hindustani music. So
Wonderful.
then I was looking for Hindustani teachers around there in my place. At that time, I was living in St. Louis, Missouri. And my teacher was not available because she had only few students. So she was not teaching regularly. Like she didn't pick up students. Whenever I was interested, she was not free. Whenever she was free, I was not, I was busy. So it didn't happen in-person lessons. So then I was looking online, then I found Meet Kalakar YouTube videos, and then I just contacted Richa. And my experience since then is very, very wonderful. I mean, sincerely, I'm saying like it was very nice. Yeah, from teacher's point of view or from administrative side, I'm having very good experience, so I'm still continuing. Hopefully, to continue many more years. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure. So tell me, how do typically your classes go about? Is there any set routine as such?
My classes is once a week right now, so I kept my day Saturday morning, and then I did Saturday morning for a while. And yeah, so once a week class, 1 hour lesson, the video lessons. So yeah, that's how it goes.
Yeah, and how about, the actual sessions?
Act-
Is there, yeah, tell me.
yeah, actual sessions. My current teacher is my second teacher with Meetkalakar. I had a first teacher, um, and then I took a break. I think when I was focusing on my career, so then I got assigned to this current teacher now. So I've been with her for so many years. And So actually, the interesting part is that since I learned Carnatic music, I thought, "Oh, okay, I'm good at music. I thought I have learned to certain level of music. But when I started Hindustani, my teacher was like, "Oh, your pitch is not right, your tal is not right, all that. So that initially brought me into what I thought, I'm in the music into a certain level, because in Carnatic music, I was into like a almost three-fourth level. I was in intermediate level. So when I started Hindustani, so that's when I really realized, I missed, even though I learned Carnatic, some of the basic was missed in my learning. So then my teacher started with, I would like to say out her name, Pallaviji. So, she started almost like a basic with my Shruti, pitch, um, all that. So started in Carnatic, we learn mostly by songs. So I think with the style which I noticed in Hindustani, the main focus is to get that 12 notes right. Sometimes,
Correct.
even though I am like learning for years, even now I feel sometimes I make mistake. Uh, my teacher would say, "Oh yeah, that's not right." So that is still sometimes, you know, uh, a struggle for me. But like my goal is to get that 12 notes right. Um, so so once you have that, uh, strong in that, then it's learning music. Picking up any music is very good, very easy. And also my tal was poor. Now tal is improved. Yeah.
Typically, when your session starts, is
Uh-huh.
there any set thing that you do that, some teachers, they take alankars in the beginning, or some, they right away start with whatever they had left and, they can continue. So how does that happen with your
Um,
session?
yeah, with Pallavi ji, she teaches by raga. Randomly selected some ragas, and then she noticed, some ragas, my swaras are not perfect. So, she picked up the easy ones first, and then, so, like a Shuddha, what do you say? Initially,
Just
Komal
words.
Swaras, yeah, Komal Swaras are hard for me. So she focused on the easy ones, and then once I got better, she moved into like Komal Swaras. And then we do alab, almost a half an hour we do alab. So bring in that raga. She made sure that I'm getting all the swaras perfect in that particular raga. Then she moved on to that short bandish. And yeah, that's how we end, almost half an hour, almost sometimes even 45 minutes of just swaras, ragas, get better on the ragas. And then she teaches the bandish. And so when she teaches bandish, it would be easier to, that will go pretty quick. And so the next week I will learn that bandish and come, and then she will repeat. So at least if it's a difficult raga, if my swaras are not perfect yet, we'll still focus on next week. We'll still work on the swaras again, and then she'll ask me to sing that bandish, whatever I learned the previous week, and then yeah. So we'll still every class almost 30 to 40 minutes we'll work on swaras, then short bandish. That's how
Okay.
our class goes. Yeah.
Okay. And how do you do your riyaz? When do
Well,
you
yes.
manage to do it?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm a housewife with two kids and family. So my riyas is not regular, to be honest, but I managed to practice before the lesson, before the class. I managed to practice um, like I managed to learn the bandish before, because I sometimes I feel like it is respectful to learn and come, for the teacher, for teacher put. So
Correct.
like, I make sure to practice the bandish and come, and then yeah. And I can I mean, I record the classes, so like I can learn through recording too. Yeah.
As you said, your class is once a week.
Mm-hmm.
So there is actually a gap between two classes.
Yes.
So, is there anything that you do, or rather, what do you do to keep, I'll say interest in the music, so that, you remain pepped up for the next class and looking forward to the next class? Do you keep listening to music, or what do you do?
Actually, my classes it used to be in Skype. Now Skype is not there anymore. So Skype, we had recording, so I could record regularly. So I make sure I listen to the class before the next class, because I am at this age, so I forget what I learned with my family and the career, or like different things. I forget what I exactly learned. So I make sure to watch that recording before the next class. So that's one thing. And also, since I love music, even though I may not learn this material every day, I am exposed to music. I listen to other musics. So my touch with music is always there. Every day I listen to music, or I sing music on my own, like, so that I'm in touch with music. So yeah, so keeping up with the class is not very hard. Just to I need to know that what I learned last week, because the teacher also will ask what did we learn last week, because she may not keep track, because she's handling with the different
Correct,
students.
correct.
So
So
she'll
many
ask,
students.
yeah, so she will ask which raga we learned. So I have to answer it. So I will, yeah.
And what ragas have you learned so far?
Oh, I have learned.
Just to
I think
mention a few.
I'm exposed to so many ragas. Soni, Kamaj, Bilawal, so many, like
Raman,
Yemen, yes, of course, Yemen. Yeah, those are the beginning, Bilawal, Yemen, or beginning ragas. Bahar,
Bhageshwari.
yeah, Malhar, Rageshri, Bhageshri, so many more. She has covered
Any
almost
that
all
is your
them.
favorite? Any raga that is your favorite?
Any ragas, like Hafidat. Then Sony, almost all, like, yeah, mm, almost all ragas. Mia Malhar. Yeah.
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 So, what will you say to, there are people who really want to start learning music, and, despite your busy schedule, even you are learning for so many years now. So,
Mhm.
what would you like to tell such people who want to start learning, and, who are really busy and working, or as they are housewives and they are busy? So, what will you tell them?
Um, I would say the desire is the first thing. If you have a desire, and if you have that opportunity, you can make it. And always, I mean, in my experience, not just music, anything, if you want it in your life, or anything you desire, it will, if you keep aspiring for it, and if you keep trying for it, it will happen eventually, one day or the other. So if you really like it, mm, and if all the situations are good, um, so you can always learn. Always you can learn. And that, since we have the opportunity, I'm glad. Like, I don't think, like, when childhood, I never thought that I would be able to learn right at this age, or the opportunity. So if the situations are okay, but I mean, some people, they like it, they love to learn, but that situations may not be right for them.
Correct.
So if you get an opportunity, don't lose it. That's what I would say. Like, take it, grab it. You know,
Yeah.
yeah, if yeah.
Yeah, so those who want to learn, as Nisha ji said, if you get the opportunity, grab it, and you really have the desire to learn, you can really start learning, and just this is so inspiring. I will say that Nisha ji, despite she had taken a break for her the professional career, and she had learned Carnatic, and then she started learning Hindustani classical from basic. So that is really something inspiring, and that is very nice. I will say, Nisha ji, that you have been at it for so many years. Patience is that you really need for this, and you have been good at that, really good. So thank you very much for being with us, Nishaji. Thank you for coming. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you. I mean, I would like to say thank you to Richa and Meetkalakar team to make this possible. Without the people like you, I wouldn't be able to learn, right? I never thought. And it also, like, I'm from Kerala and then learning Hindustani, finding a teacher in Bombay or like, anywhere. So I never thought it would be possible for me. And thank you for making this happen. And I'm glad and I am very happy with your team as a teacher.
Thank
I
you.
mean,
Thank you.
from the academic
Thanks.
wise and administrative wise, very happy with. So yeah, continue to learn. Planning to continue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, I'm sure, and I really wish you all the best.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Gama pani sare ga a a re mitwa janam janam से हम तो प्यासे आ संग मेरे गान नि सा ग म पा नि सा रे गा आ सपना देखे मेरे कोई कोई नैना मितवा मेरे आ तू भी सीख ले सपने देखना सपना देखे मेरे कोई कोई नैना मितवा मेरे आ तू भी सीख ले सपने देखना आ रे सा रे द प म ग रे सा नि सा ग म प नि सा रे गा आ जाने ना तो गम की गहराइयाँ आजा कट जाए मेरी तन्हाइयाँ जाने ना तो गम की गहराइयाँ आजा कट जाए मेरी तन्हाइयाँ भेजा बरसा दे प्रीत का सावन बरसों के जलते मन की बुझ जाए अगन आ रे सा नि द प म ग रे सा नि सा ग म प नि सा रे गा आ रे मितवा जन्म जन्म से हम तो प्यासे आ संग मेरे गान नि सा ग म प नि सा रे गा आ ग प द नि द ग प द नि द नि द प ग प द नि द सा ग प द ध नि सा ध नि प द नि प द ग म द प प नि प रे नि प ग सा रे सा नि सा प द नि द ग म प ग म रे सा नि सा ग म प नि सा रे गा आ
Wow, that was really nice. Very nice. Actually, it is one of my most favorite songs.
There were some mistakes because I was not expecting, so I did that.
No, but still, it was really nice.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.